Let's talk about the OBP and OPS stat in baseball. The funny thing is, people say that OBP and OPS are more difficult to read than WAR, but I disagree. I actually look at OPS when I try to get a player's full offensive value. I'm gonna break it down really quick for you guys to make it a little bit more simpler to understand. OPP is on base percentage. It's just meaning how often is a batter able to get on base. After they hit, are they able to get on base or are they getting out? It factors in hits, their hit by pitches, walks, but doesn't factor in any errors that they get on base with or getting on there by fielder's choice. It doesn't calculate all of that. So this is the equation here. So we have hits, walks, hit by pitches, divided by their at-bats, their walks, their hit by pitches, and their sac flies. Some people are like, wait, why can't you just look at their batting average to see how well they're doing offensively? Why do you have to look at their OBP? Well, batting average is important. We want to know how many hits they're getting and how well they're doing hitting, but at the same time, OBP gives you a more comprehensive look into not only hitting, but how are they able to get on these bases and create less outs for this team in order to get those runs, in order to get those points, because that's what's really important. So it gives you a more comprehensive look. The average is somewhere around roughly 320 and 340. Anything above that is good, and anything below that means they're not reaching base that often. So this is from 2021. This is the OBP, slug, and OPS leaders here in 2021, and these are their scores. Let's talk about OPS now. So OPS is basically just the on-base percentage, the OBP we just talked about, plus the slug. It's basically meaning how often is the hitter able to make the base, and also how often are they hitting for power. So it's taking all of that into account. It's even more comprehensive than OBP and batting average combined. So that's the one that I can kind of look at and see their score and know, okay, they're doing pretty well if they're above this number, or below this number if they're not that good. This is the chart for what to look for. If you see, so the average, it says 730. It can also be arguably 750. Anything above that is above average. And then when you start seeing people have 900 for their OPS or even 1 point anything, that's when it's like, okay, they're doing amazing. They're getting on that base. They're hitting for power. You can see their complete offensive value with their OPS score. Pitchers also have an OPS score. It's called OOPS. That's opponent's on base percentage in slugging. Way to see how well a pitcher is able to limit their opponent's on base percentage in slugging. Hope that made a little bit of sense. All these stats are important for specific things, and it really is up to you. If you're a person who likes to look at batting average over this, that is fine. But if you want to get a complete comprehensive look into a player's offensive value and how well they're actually doing for the team, OPS is the best way to go, in my opinion. The person who asked for this video, I'm going to tag them because I meant to reply to their comment with this video and forgot, so I recorded this separately, but I'm going to make sure I tag them. And I hope this made it a little bit easier for you guys.